Monorail. Monorail.
Monorail.
Monorail. All the people. Day 3, most magical place on earth. And can we go over something for a fact? Hold on. We're matching. I know, it's like sickening how cute we are. But the kids are here today, so we're gonna go find them. It's already loud, there's already so many people.
It's hot.
And it's hot. It's gonna be a long day. So stay tuned, hang out with us, because we're in for a lot of fun.
We have.
What's up, guys?
Hi.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
So you gotta wave to the camera first. Say hi.
Hi.
So what did we just do?
Splash Mountain.
How was it?
Good.
Yeah. What are we doing now?
Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
That's right. We're about to go do Thunder Mountain, and so we're kind of hanging out before because half the party went in, and Disney does this thing called rider swap.
No, baby swap.
Baby swap. I'm sorry, baby swap. So we've got a baby with us, and it's an interesting concept. So basically, what happens is half your party goes first, while the other half watches the kid. Then they scan the wristbands, your magic bands of the second half of your party, and then they basically, when the first half comes back, the second half gets to go in the fast pass line without actually using a fast pass. So let's say the ride's a 45-minute wait, only one of your half of your party really has to wait 45 minutes, not the whole thing, which is actually kind of neat, and it's a neat little kind of trick that if I had no idea it even existed. Did you know?
No.
Yeah, so we had no idea, and there was a lot of confusion at first. There was like, what do we, oh, look, the other half is back. Time for us to go on Thunder Mountain. We'll catch you on the other side.
We're about to go on Thunder Mountain.
Say hi to the camera. What are we doing? What ride? Yeah, but what's the... Just finished It's a Small World, and yeah, I'm a little tired now. It was very soothing. It's like iconic. Like you can't not come to Disney and not like you can't come to Disney and not do it. So had to do it. Wasn't super exciting or thrilling, but it's part of Disney. Got to do it. Onward and upward to wherever we're going to next. I honestly have no idea. We'll find out. All right, so we're off exploring by ourselves, looking for coffee. And it's weird how all the different parks are so different. Yesterday, when we were in Animal Kingdom, there was literally like coffee every 10 feet. Now, because I want one, can't find one. Always want what you can't have. Search for coffee update, fruitless. Couldn't find any. It's incredible. There's like popcorn and ice cream and everything else in the world, but no coffee. I got one more spot, and then I think I'll switch off with Mary to go watch Maddox so that she can go to the bathroom. And I've probably taken too long as it is, but we'll see what happens. One last shot. Fingers crossed for coffee. Coffee update number 2. Found it. Cheshire Cafe. Lifesaver. Last spot. Last hope. But it worked. Time to go swap out with Mary, and we'll see what happens after that. What are we doing?
We're going on the Barnstormer.
What are we doing right now?
We're waiting in line for it.
We're playing the line game, which is never fun.
No.
But it's not a bad line, right? All right. All right, Disney Day 3 update. We've been at Magic Kingdom all day. Finding food was frustrating. Finding alcohol, impossible. So if you're coming to Magic Kingdom, you definitely need to make sure that you're aware that trying to get alcohol is nearly impossible. And it's weird, like coming from Hollywood Studios yesterday where every 10 feet there was like beer or alcohol or frozen lemonade at the coffee stand. Like, it's just a completely different world here. But good news, coffee number 3 of today. We're about to go hit up Space Mountain. Oh, and this weird thing happened with my sunglasses. I don't know if you guys can see this, but like the blue is rubbing off. I don't know, which I'm kind of disappointed about because that's why I bought these ones. So I might have to reach out to the company and see if we can get a replacement because this is just not going to do. But more coffee, more rides, exhausting. Space Mountain's next. It's going to be fun. All right, time for Space Mountain. It's like pitch black in the actual roller coaster, so I'm not going to capture anything. See you guys on the other side. Stay tuned. Space Mountain was fun. It's iconic. Like, it's one of those things, again, you come to Disney, you gotta do it. Just like It's a Small World. But it's actually way better than It's a Small World because it's actually fun.
Look at my sunglasses and line.
But we're currently inside the Space Mountain gift shop, which is really just an homage to Star Wars. I'm not complaining. Waiting out the rain. It's one of those things like when you're at an amusement park and it rains, it's gonna be okay. Like people like freak out. I think you just need to like stop and be like, it's going to be okay. It's just a little bit of rain. And not worry about it too much. Like even if you get wet, what do you do? Like I'm carrying a camera and that's not weather sealed. And I don't really care if I get wet. Like especially doing stuff like Splash Mountain, stuff like that. So yeah, you just gotta take it for what it is. But just waiting out the rain, see what else comes up today. Who knows? We'll see when we get there. We've made our way over to Adventureland, and that means Dole Whip.
Hello. Hi.
What are we gonna go do?
We're gonna go on the Jungle Cruise.
The Jungle Cruise!
We're boats here.
Boats here! Boats are here!
You like that? Yeah! This is like all of my childhood dreams coming true. We're going in the Swiss Family Robinson's treehouse. This is gonna be fun. Movie on the kids.
How was the treehouse?
Good. It was really good. It was very high and a little scary at the top.
Was it everything you hoped and dreamed it would be?
Yes. Yes, it was. I wish I could spend the night.
Well, that was a long day. The kids are exhausting, but they seem to really like it for the most part, so I'm happy. Yeah, we're gonna sign off. We're gonna go back to the hotel, maybe hop in the pool for a little bit.
Beat everybody else because the fireworks are about to start. So
I know. We're doing
bye.
the bad Disney thing and not watching the fireworks, but we want to get out of here before everybody else gets out.
We did an Irish goodbye.
We did. I have no idea how much of this is going to make it into the vlog today. I recorded everything, so we'll see what happens when I cut it together. But yeah, that's it for today. Day 4 tomorrow, Disney. Oh man, day 4.
Going back to Animal Kingdom.
Woo! Oh, I'm excited. Animal Kingdom was my favorite. It was a lot of fun. So, yep, that's it for tonight. See you tomorrow.